Hello, my name is Andrew Pettigrew from Pettigrew Optometrists in Belfast. In this video I wanted to talk to you about nighttime driving. Nighttime driving is one of the most common complaints that my patients report to me during an eye examination, and this is for a very simple reason. Eyes are brilliant at dealing at very high levels of illumination, for instance on a bright sunny day where we can see really well, and also in very low levels of illumination, so you know that even in a dark room, once your eyes have adapted, you can see really well. But unfortunately, your eyes are not good at dealing with both at the same time. It takes about 5 minutes for your eyes to go from being adapted to a dark environment through to working properly in bright sunlight, and it takes a full 35 minutes for your eyes to adapt from working in a bright environment to very low levels of illumination. People often think that it's changes in your pupil that enable you to deal with different environments and different levels of light. It's actually changes in your retina. Your retina at the back of the eye enables you to work in a wide variety of different levels of illumination. And if you think about it, eyes are incredible. If you asked a camera to perform in different levels of illumination, so try taking a photograph in very dark environment without a flash, you're not going to get anything at all, yet your eyes will work really well. Equally, if you try and take a photograph with a camera in very high levels of illumination into direct sunlight, you won't get a very good picture at all, but our eyes work fantastically well in both. Now the problem with nighttime driving is that you've got an oncoming headlight, which is a high level of illumination, and you've got a dark road. So you're asking your eyes to do the two things at the one time, and that isn't possible. People often think that the oncoming headlights are the problem whenever nighttime driving, but if you think about it, you can see where the car is, you see where the headlights are, and you're very unlikely to crash into the car. The problem is actually seeing the dark road in front of you at the same time as the headlights are passing you. So actually the danger is possibly a cyclist travelling the same direction as you in front of you, or possibly a horse travelling the same direction, or a pedestrian travelling the same direction as you. So you've got to be really careful about that. There's a couple of things you can do. First thing is, make sure your windscreen's clean. This is a really silly one, but whenever you clean the inside of your windscreen, have you ever noticed how much dirt comes off the inside of the windscreen? So you should have something to clean the inside of your windscreen. Make sure that your windscreen washers are full and have soap in them. Make sure that your windscreen wiper blades are working properly, and make sure your headlights are clean. There are a bunch of things that we can do to help you. So if you are having difficulty with nighttime driving, it's very important that we get you the very best prescription available. Okay, so if there's an improvement available in your vision, you should definitely have that. And there's a number of special lenses that we can use that will make a big difference to you. There's some clever technologies and spectacle lenses that can be utilized. So if you're having trouble with this, I would recommend that you go and visit your local optometrist and have a full eye examination. Make sure that everything's healthy with your eyes, and they'll be able to give you really good advice. Thank you very much for listening. My name is Andrew Pettigrew from Pettigrew Optometrists in Belfast. Our website is www.pettigrewoptometrists.com. Thanks for listening.